Can he fit?
Can it fit?
There you go.
Can
He
it
did
fit?
fit.
No. And Brox toys review. That's another.
Yeah. Who is this one?
Uncle Cow.
Uncle Cow. There's Uncle Cow, girls and boys. I think it's a girl, babe. I think it's Auntie Cow. What do you think? Auntie. Who's this one?
That's not the farm.
The sheep is on the farm, yes. And there's another sheep. Look at this cutie pie sheep.
There's a lot of cows. There's
Yeah.
a lot of cows.
Yeah, look at all that cow you have there. And who's this one? Who's this one?
A sheep.
Another sheep? Is this a sheep? Okay, put them together. And of course, we have a little puppy. And look who I found.
Another old McDonald.
We show it to the kids. Another old McDonald. So it's two. You have two. That right? So this one, this guy over here, he can sit inside the truck.
And this first one here can fit.
Oh, can he fit?
Yeah.
Can he fit?
Can it fit?
There you go. He did fit.
Can it fit inside that?
Yeah. And that's their farm. Their. Oh, look, it's moving. It's moving. Oh, look, 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 it's moving. It's moving. Who is this one?
Another shaman.
Another shaman sheep. This is the house for the horse, yeah. So we have one horse over here. So that's where he lives, yeah? There you go. Is he ready to go to the farm? Is he? And then the doggy will go with him.
Now the next one is brush.
Brush. Is he gonna clean up?
No, Mom is not cleaning up.
What is he gonna do with the brush?
He's gonna make all the candies.
A witch?
The candy.
Oh, look at all the. Oh, look, look. They're moving. So you have 4 cows altogether, Brox, is that right?
Yeah, but 4. Yeah.
4 cows. And who is this again?
Show me sheep.
Shoma sheep. We got this from McDonald's before. See that? That's cool.
Oh no, keep moving.
Whee! Again, do it again.
The tree's right.
Ready, steady. Whee! What do you sing, Old MacDonald?
Oh, McDonald. Yeah. And then this one we have a
Cow.
cow. E-I-E-I-O. And rooter,
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's a horse. There you go. The horse like it. Yum, 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 yum,
But
yum,
the
yum.
head is very down now. But the head is very down.
Yeah, because he's eating.
And the dog needs to eat.
I don't think the dog likes that. No? Oh, you can try. Yum, 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 yum. How about the sheep? Yum, 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 yum.
How about 3 cow?
How about the cows?
How about 3 cow?
The daddy cow. Yum, 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 yum. I'm so full now. How about mommy cow? This is so delicious. And who's this one? Baby cow? An auntie cow. Yum, 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 yum. That is so yummy, bro.
Yeah.